Hi friends, welcome to our math channel. Today we are going to discuss multiplication technique. One more technique. Previously we learned product of same number. For example, 35 into 35, 35 square, 95 into 95, 95 square, that would easily. Same like that. Suppose you have difference, not the same number, 95 into 105 degrees and 85 into 95 like that. 10 difference is there. Suppose 20 difference is there. That number ending with 5. How will it be possible to answer within 2 seconds? Sometimes without pen paper also, orally possible. The technique I will explain. For your understanding purpose I am writing on the board, but you practice without pen paper also. Practice orally, ready to answer orally. Okay? Welcome to our math techniques. In the previous videos, we learned product of same number ending with 5. For example, 35 square means 35 into 35. 95 square, 95 into 95, like that is there. How to multiply we learn. Same model without pen paper, how to answer within very less second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. That method I am going to explain. Suppose you have 75 square, 75 into 75. Remember, when you observe the same number, that is nothing but 35 square, like the square. Okay, 95 to 95, notice that is 95 square. Ending with 5 squares, I will learn the technique, I will revise. Okay, now suppose here like this is there. Because of 5 square, 5 5 is 25 will come. 9 after is among the natural numbers. 9 after 10. 9 into 10. 9 after 10. 9 10 is 90. Like that here 5 5 is 25 fix. 25 fix here. Here also 25 fix. When you have ending with 5. Observe here 3. In the natural numbers, 3 after 4. 3 4 is 12. 12 2 comes. Okay, 1 to 2 5. Next 7 after 8. 7 8 is 5 6 2 5. Like that we learn. Okay, same like that. When you notice 20 also, difference 20 is there also. Here 25. For example, you notice 85 into 105 like that, or 105 into 85. When you notice in the exam like this, answer easy. 20 difference is there and ending with 5. That time also you get 25 ending. Last is same like this. Okay, for example, 45 into 65, 65 into 45, like that numbers. Okay, and suppose one more example I write 75 into 95, 95 into 75, like that. When you notice ending with 5 and 20 difference is there, at the time within 2 seconds will answer without pen paper. The technique. So when you same like this, when you know difference and ending with 5 like that, you get here 25. No, same here also 25 will come. Last two is okay. Previously is how to identify easily. I will say. Listen. For example, when you notice 20 difference at the time 8 to 10. 8 to 10. What is 8 10? 80 plus number between 8 and 10. 8 9 10 no 9. That 9 add that. 8 10 is 80 plus 9. 8 9. That's all. 8 9 2 5. Understand students? Observe. Next here 4 6. 4 6 are 24 plus between 4 and 6. Average of 4 and 6 or number between 4 and 6 is 5. That 5 add here. 24 plus 5 29. 2 9 2 5. That's all answer. That's all. Very easy. Very easy to learn. Okay. Observe here 7 9 is 63 plus 7 9. Number lies between 7 and 9. Number lies between 7 and 9 is 8. 8 add karo. 63 plus 8 71. 7 1 2 5. That's all. Like that. Very easy friends. Okay. I will give some more examples. Observe this friends. Two more examples. When you notice 20 difference, for example 25 into 45 or 45 into 25, like that is there. But same answer for that ending 25 common. Okay. For example, you notice 35 into 55, 55 into 35 like that. Big numbers also same method follow. Observe at the time 25 ending fix. When you notice 20 difference, fix 25 fix. Same like that number. Observe now 2 4 is 8 plus number between 2 and 4 3. 8 plus 11 double 1 2 5. That's all. Here 3 5 is 15. 15 plus 3 4 number lies between 3 and 4 is 3 and 5 is 4. 4 add. Okay. The number lies between 5 and 3. Okay. 4. 4 add. 15 plus 4 19. 1 9 2 5. That's all friends. Very easy to understand. Very easy to use. Try to learn answer orally only. Don't practice with pen paper. Just to practice orally. It save the time in the exams. Really useful. Okay. I hope you understand well. Thank you very much. Okay friends, I hope you understand well. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell symbol to get notification about our channel. Okay, I hope you understand well. Once again, like a friend, I am saying, try to practice orally maximum, then only you save the time. And by practicing 2-3 times compulsory, you will get speed. I hope you understand well. Thank you once again for subscribing and sharing with your friends.